Hey lovelies, welcome back. So today I'll be doing a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. So I've already primed and prepped my face. I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. I'll be mixing two shades, ABH Stick Foundation in Walnut and Laura Mercier Silk Cream Oil Free Foundation in the shade Nutmeg. Okay, so after applying these two foundations, I'm going to go ahead and blend them in together, and I find these two work really well together. It's hard for me to find foundations my shade, so I'm constantly mixing and matching, but nonetheless, I'm going to make this work. I'm going to blend it out nicely so that my face looks seamless and even. So we're going to go ahead and snatch these brows, darling. I do have a brow routine. I will leave it on the screen at the top there for you guys so you can see how I get my brows done more in depth. Brows are all done, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Urban Decay Primer Potion to prime my lids because I'm going to use that as the base for my eyeshadow. I'm going to blend this out and then go ahead and set it with some powder so that my eyeshadows don't budge. For my eye look today, I'll be using the Morphe 39L palette called Hit the Lights, and I'll be using the first shade in my inner corner area called Hook Up, and it's a nice brown, but it's coming off red because my brush is a little dirty. I'm so sorry, but it's a brown. Okay, so I am using the windshield wiper motion to blend that brown shadow out. It looks a bit messy at the moment, but this is all a part of the process. I promise you it will all come right at the end. Because I want my lid colors to pop some more, I'm going to go ahead and add some concealer to just that part of my lid. I am not doing a full cut crease. You guys know how I feel about cut crease. I'm not like the best at it, but I'm using some concealer to just carve out that area of my lid to lay down my lid colors. Okay guys, so for the outer corners, I'll be using the shade called Till Dawn, and it's a very pigmented black. So if you're going to be using this shade, be careful because it is so pigmented. So what I'm doing, I am packing that on and blending it as I go along. As you can see, I am blending out the edge of the concealer as well. Now I'm going to go into the shade called Feeling It, and it's sort of a pinkish mauve shade. So I'm going to go ahead and add that into the middle part of my lid. Then for that inner part of my lid, I'll be using the shade called Euphoric, and it's a very light pink. Okay, so let the blending begin. I'm adding some more of Till Dawn because I blended out too much of it, but as I add, I blend, and so I'm going to blend everything in together as much as I can because I want everything to merge in and be so seamless so the eye look can look, you know, somewhat perfect, even though it's not going to be perfect, but somewhat perfect. So I'm blending, blending, blending. Blending is key. And of course, I've added some lashes off camera, and the lashes I'm wearing are called Sassy. I'm so sorry they're out of stock at the moment, but you can find other lashes on my site. Check it out, shaunzbeauty.com. Okay guys, so I've added my eyeliner, so I'm going to go ahead and add some of that shade called Euphoric into my inner corners, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply, feeling it underneath my lash line area just to give it a nice pinky smudged out look. I'm going to quickly go ahead and highlight using LA Girl's Pro Concealer in Fawn. After that, I'm going to go ahead and use Ben Nye powder in Banana just to set my highlighted areas.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión.
To slightly highlight my brow bone, I'm going to use the shade called My Type.
Quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos.
To bronze up this face, darling, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in the shade Mahogany, and I really like this powder. Then you know that the look is not going to be complete unless we do a bit of highlighting. So I'm going to be using the shade called Beam from the same Morphe 39L palette.
Encontrando vida en el camino, melodías que no hemos tocado, y yo no quiero descansar. Resuena por la pared, creando una.
Okay guys, for the lips I'll be using the LA Girls Perfect Precision Lip Liner in Chocolate. Then I'm going to go ahead and top that off with Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Allison. And then finish that off with Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb.
Más y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad.
And to break down the powder look, you guys, I'm going to be using the Revolution Base Fix Setting Spray. Okay beauty, so this is the final look. I do hope you like it. If you did, of course, go ahead and thumbs up the video. If it's something that you would wear for V-Day, let me know as well in the comments section. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more looks and turn the notifications on, of course. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Mwah.
Seremos miles, crecemos en número, en